Welcome to another video, guys. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Now, usually I post on a Monday regarding this, but today I wanted to talk about Clickbank and we are going to jump into it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Stick to the very end if you want to get also access to a course and everything else that I have to offer. But for now, let's jump onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, folks, here I am on my screen and we're going to jump into Clickbank in a second. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. We're going to be jumping into Clickbank in a second, but what I want to share with you today, usually I post on a Monday regarding my Legion Secret, which is the strategy or which is the tool that I use to implement my strategy with affiliate marketing. It's a very simple strategy that I follow. It's called a funded proposal strategy, where I basically try to create an advertising budget for myself. And then because I do have a full-time job, I leverage that advertising budget to keep growing my email list and having my ecosystem being built, an affiliate ecosystem being built on the back end where I share offers, tools, services, and basically information about myself also on that email list. Okay, so let's say the catalyst behind it is using a tool called My Legion Secret, which is what we're talking about today. And one of the networks that we can use, affiliate networks that we can use for My Legion Secret, is Clickbank. Now, I have two My Legion Secrets account. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, just very quickly, let me go over it. It gives you about 100 to 200 leads every single day. As you guys can see right here, it's 100 to 200 business opportunity leads, co-registration leads who are looking for softwares offers in the make money online space. Okay, so in the MMO niche or the wealth niche that's there. So make sure that you have offers that are applicable to this very niche that help you or actually solve a problem so that you can start to share it with My Legion Secret. Gives you about 100 to 200 leads every day. So that's, for me, I'm saving time. And how much do I spend every single month to keep this service available is basically $30 every single month. Now, there is an extra $30 the first month when you get started. So the first month you spend $60 to set up everything. And basically you're getting access to a space where you can send out an email every day. Now, I use this as my main, let's say, email list, where I literally send out an email every single day to all the offers that I have, all the promotions that I do. I try to do every week, more or less, a different promotion. That's me personally. And out of which I'm testing now Clickbank. So I have two accounts with My Legion Secret. I started about 2 years ago. The first account that I use is with a network called Warrior Plus, and the second one is with a network called Clickbank. And with Clickbank, the beauty of it is that I'm emailing leads and I'm emailing people offers on Clickbank, but I'm focused specifically on recurring offers or residual offers. The amount of work that I'm putting in initially is now compounding over time, depending obviously on the lifetime value of the customer itself, right? This is just a concept that I'm going to go over and talk about in a second, but a lifetime value, what is the lifetime value of a customer, or the LTV? A lifetime value of the customer is just knowing specifically how many months they're going to stay on. Now, I'll give you an example. I will show you that in real life in a second. I'll get into my Clickbank and show you that. But let's say I have made a sale of a specific offer and service, and it is a monthly recurring service. So how long does one person, what is the lifetime that one person is using this tool? Maybe they're using it for 12 months. Maybe they're using it for 3 months. Maybe they're using it for 6 months. It's really up to the customer itself. If you are a huge fan of affiliate marketing, the lifetime value of a customer, if you're truly helping the person, stays for longer. I'll give you an example, guys. Let's say a tool like System.io. Now, guys, by the way, if you are interested in this tool of System.io, the link is in the description of this video. It's a free tool that is a free option, as you guys can see right here. And this tool, for example, has a larger lifetime value. Why? Because it's a tool where you're basically setting up your course, you can set up funnels, you can set up a website, you can set up multiple things. So the use as a marketer, if you are advertising to the right audience, the lifetime value of those customers are much higher because they are in need of this tool. You're solving the problem and there's a need. So the lifetime value really depends on the customers. So if it's a service, then this can be applicable, right? Even if you think about it, what is the lifetime value of those people who have Netflix or any of the big streaming platforms out there? It really varies, okay? And this is what on the back end the company is looking at to be able to go through their promotions. Why? Because when you do go through your promotions in this manner, you're able to say, okay, for the next 3 months, I'm going to focus to get X amount of customers, because for the next 6 months, I will have this much LTV that's available. So let's try to get more acquisition value, okay? The all-time acquisition cost. This is what we're looking at. I know I'm going in a bit commercial way, but it's just for you guys to understand that you can apply these elements even to your affiliate marketing journey. And that's personally how I am doing it with Clickbank. So let's hop on to Clickbank and share with you a little bit more. All right, guys, I'm just signing into Clickbank, so it should be all available. And I'm just going to show you guys the results for the month of January so that you guys can see. So far, I have in my earnings around $146.18 for this month. And it's been pretty nice to see the consistency this literally this month. And if I go to the reporting section, okay, I'll make myself a little bit smaller, and you guys can see right here, basically I made 10 entire sales until now. Okay, so I still have a couple of days, maybe it'll be more, but for now I have about 10 sales that I've done in this last month, and I've earned around 146. Now this is one of the higher months for me. Okay, last month, for example, in the month of December, it was less. I earned, I'll show you guys, I think 120, maybe. Yeah, 120 in December. And then we will just look in November so that you guys can see the, the running cost. I started this whole journey with Clickbank in September, so it's not been a long time, but 127 also in September, and I believe October also it was around 100 maybe 127, I guess. Yeah, 120. So I'm averaging about 120 every single month, right? And these are recurring sales, guys, and I'm not focusing on getting like tons and tons of sales. So 91, anywhere between 100 120 is usually it. And this last month, as you guys can see, in the month of January, I've already hit higher than that, which is I've gone to 146. Now my aim over here is to get to a recurring point of having at least $1,000 every month, and just focusing on having those sales that give me a recurring income of $1,000 every month. Okay, that's personally my aim. Now why I'm sharing this with you is I want you guys to understand the lifetime value here. So these rebuilds, okay, these rebuild sales that I've got this month, as you guys can see, and this is a perfect example, it's a split, right? So I've got $73 that I've earned from rebuilds that were there. So there were 4 rebuilds that happened, and this was in the month. Now what I can do for you guys is, just to give you guys an understanding, we'll go to the old version of Clickbank, and I want you guys to go to I want myself to go to reporting, and we will go to transactions. Okay, and there's a reason why I want to show you this, because let me just put the month of January. There we go. So now you're going to see, obviously there are 6 new sales. So you'll see a couple of sales coming in from January. But what I want you to pay attention to is that there's a rebill over here from the 28th of September. So we have September, October, November, December. That's 3 months. So this person has already been paying me for the last 3 months. So I would not have received that $18.25 if I have not made that sale 3 months ago. Okay, so I'm reaping the rewards 3 months in advance. So this is, let's say my lifetime value of the customer is 3 months. So my focus every single month is to get at least 4 to 10 sales. This is my aim, 4 to 10 sales every single month for at least 6 months. I think this will bring a good momentum, and then the following months after that I can just focus on getting a few sales, and I will already reach that recurring income, because the average lifetime value that I see for these products that I'm sharing on with Clickbank, which is WirexApp reviews, so I'll share with you about the products in a second, is anywhere between 1 to 3 to 4 months, at the most 4 months. Okay, so if I'm able to compound within 4 months, then there's always that there will always be people coming off, But if you're able to get at least 4 every single month, then you're able to maintain quite a significant monthly recurring income, and your focus is not too high for the sales every single month, right? Obviously, if you are making a good enough amount every single month, then it's just going to compound and compound for you. So I'm pretty sure that maybe not, definitely not the month of January, but I believe in February, if all works out, I will be able to compound to get to around 200. Now, remember, I started this in September, so it's taken me a few months to get even to this recurring stage, right? But that's just going to increase over time. So this is the concept of lifetime value and understanding how to use the lifetime value to be able to get those sales. Now, what I do with ClickBank and how I'm actually using ClickBank at the moment is with, as you can see right here, with MLGS, which is My Legion Secret. So what I do is I come to My Legion Secret every single day, and I have one account specifically for ClickBank. This is just how I function. Other people have ClickBank for all their accounts, which is absolutely fine. Also, it's really up to you. And I send out an email every single day related to affiliate marketing. Okay, this is an email related to affiliate marketing. There's a specific method to my madness, and I talk about affiliate marketing. But the products that I'm sharing are on Clickbank itself. So I'm redirecting them and I'm talking about my journey related to affiliate marketing, but I'm sharing with them products that are not actually related to affiliate marketing. Now, how I put these two things together is understanding your audience, guys. So the leads that are there in My Legion Secrets are stuck, are looking for side hustles, are looking for ways to get money available. But what I'm passionate about myself, I talk what I'm passionate about, right? I'm passionate about I'm passionate about affiliate marketing. So I'm using affiliate marketing, but I'm also using these services to be able to generate a cash flow. And when I do generate a cash flow from it, it can help me with my affiliate marketing. So this is how I connect the two. And I talk about writing because I believe that writing is a very important part. Or I talk about the skill sets. I'm not talking about the money now. I'm talking about the skill sets. Let's say you're doing WriteApp reviews, or you're doing social media, let's say paid writing apps or whatever it is, paid writing reviews and so on and so forth. Any writing related job, I talk about it as you're developing a skill. This skill is going to help you in the future, regardless, to know your customers, to understand how to write to them, how to write scripts, how to convert your emails, and so on and so forth. So it's always a good thing when it comes to writing related gigs. And at the same time, you're generating a cash flow from it. Yes, you're exchanging your time for money. Yes, that's true. But at the end of the day, you are also making quite a bit of money on the side while learning a skill set, or defining the skill set for yourself, if I might say, doing the job itself. Okay, so there are options available. That's personally how I talk about it. But you guys can see right here there are multiple sales that are coming in. That's how I look at it. In terms of the products itself, when you're using My Legion Secret, you just literally focus on e-business and e-marketing, nothing else, guys. Don't look at new offers. Don't look at high ticket offers. Don't look at any other categories. Don't look at business and investing. I'm just going to show you business and investing. For example, this crypto code. If you want to try to get this, it's fine. But the gravity score is like 14, so it's not going to be the best. You can use it if you want. You can test it out. Business and investing could be an option that's available, but personally I've not tried it, so I will not recommend it. I use e-business and e-marketing. I've got good commissions and good conversions with live chat jobs. This is one that I do like to share with My Legion Secret leads. I have tried Get Paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and I have got sales, but not recently. It was last year that I was testing this out. Maybe in the next month I will. But I also have shared WriteApp reviews, as I mentioned, and I've got really, really good sales with this. So WriteApp reviews have been converting the best for me personally. And then also I've tried paid online writing jobs, but I must say that this conversion is a bit lower. Not sure why, honestly, because it has the same logic in terms of quiz and just marketing as write-up reviews and live chat jobs. So I'm not sure why it's taking longer to get conversions, but maybe it's just the service in itself that's not the best. You don't know. At least I don't know. But I'm testing out these top projects right here. This Omega one is not a recurring offer, so I'm not sharing it. Basically, I'm choosing. I have some criteria with ClickBank itself, and it's basically I'm looking for a recurring offer. That's the fundamental aspect here, because I want to make sure that those recurring offers go ahead, and I do one offer every quarter. So basically, this quarter of 2025, I'm looking at specifically writing. Then most probably I will go back to live chat jobs, and then I will maybe try the third quarter, get paid to use Facebook and Twitter, and then I will go back to writing. So this is how I am switching between the two, between the few that are there. There are four, so you can literally choose, but I'm not changing the offers often, guys, because if you change the offers often, honestly, it takes a lot of time before you get that momentum built. So in this way, I have the recurring offers coming in, and I'm getting new sales with the other offers, and then so on and so forth. So I'm using on a quarterly basis. This is just my strategy. If you guys have any questions related to it, obviously let me know in the comments. And regarding this whole process, I do have a course that is available in the description of this video. If you are interested, make sure to get that. Otherwise, you can also find a link to my Legion Secrets in the description of this video if you want to get started there. I'm here to help. Ask me any questions as you want, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.